Camera heads, this is the digital camera autofocus 4K vlogging camera. Oh, for photography with 32 gigabyte card, 48 MP portable compact point and shoot digital camera for teens adult beginner with 16x zoom anti-shake, 2 batteries in white. There's a piece of foam that you don't really need. Plug. Here are the 2 batteries. Charging cable. Strap for security. Wow, another one looks like for around the neck. Mini SD card. Converter. User guide and manual. See the battery and the SD card go in that slot right there. Slide the battery in. There we go. Slide the SD card in, and if you push it down, it clicks into place. Close the top, lock it over, power in. Here comes the red light on the bottom right there, and we are powered. Power button on the top right there. Let's hold that down. Welcome. Thank you. It's nice to be here in my own house with you. Cool, so display comes up. So you got all your toggles right there. You have different features on the buttons right there. There's the zoom. Yeah, there we go. Yep, right. Zoom works well. Let's go ahead and push the picture button. Great. So if I go through the menus here, battery is charging, shows that. So it comes to the menu right here. I can look at the photos, camera. These are all the camera options. Mode set, resolution, beauty face. Oh, stop. Shooting, self timer, exposure, white balance, quality, sharpness, effect, ISO, anti-shake, face detect, and smile capture. Interesting. Let's put it on smile capture. Turn smile capture on, and look at that. So when I smile, it automatically snaps a photo. Interesting, cool feature. Never seen that before. Video mode. So looks like we're recording now. Looks like we're recording now. And the bottom button down there lets you toggle through the things that you have recorded. Gets you to setup. Then under setup we have language, we have set date, power save, beep, frequency, format, and default. Playback. Here are the different, you can watch the playback. There's the smiles. So on the main screen here we have video, camera, playback, and setup. Trying to see if there's a way, you can see how this is quite yellow here in the display. And I wonder if that is supposed to be like that or why that is. And wondering if there's a way that I can adjust that display. So it has all the functions that are on and lit up at the bottom. And we can turn the flash on. So there it is, pretty self-explanatory and ready to go out of the box. Actually doesn't need a ton of charging. The batteries came pretty charged. So that's your digital camera from Lecnippy. Lecnippy. Digital camera from Lecnippy.